How do Irish pubs vary from region to region in Ireland? If you're curious about the diverse charm of Irish pubs across different regions, you're in for a treat. Let's explore what makes each area unique. Irish pubs, while sharing a common spirit of hospitality and community, can vary significantly depending on the region. In the south of Ireland, particularly in places like Killarney, you'll find pubs that are steeped in tradition and local history. For instance, Murphy's Bar in Killarney is a family-run pub since 1955, known for its lively atmosphere, traditional music, and delicious local dishes like beef and Guinness casserole and Irish stew. Moving to the west, the Dingle Peninsula is renowned for its vibrant pub culture. Here, pubs like the Boatyard Restaurant and Bar in Dingle are famous for their nightly sessions of traditional music and festivals throughout the year. These pubs are not just places to drink, but also hubs for literary and creative culture. In Dublin, the capital city, you'll find a mix of traditional and modern pubs. Places like the Cobblestone and the Long Hall are iconic for their traditional music and Victorian-era decor. The Merry Ploughboy Bar stands out as the only pub in Ireland owned and managed by traditional Irish musicians, offering an award-winning Irish music and dance show. The countryside and smaller towns also have their unique pubs. For example, the Cross Keys Inn in Antrim is one of the most famous traditional music pubs, with musicians playing sweet melodies both inside and outside its whitewashed walls. In County Kerry, the South Pole Inn, owned by Tom Crean, a legendary Antarctic explorer, is a must-visit for its historical significance and cozy atmosphere. In the Midlands, pubs like Sean's Bar in Athlone, which dates back to AD 900, offer a glimpse into Ireland's ancient past. This pub is listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the oldest pub in Ireland and retains much of its original charm, including sawdust on the floor and cannonball decorations. In the north, pubs like Grace Neal's in County Down are known for their ghostly tales and historical significance. This pub has been around for over 400 years and has been visited by paranormal TV crews and ghost hunters. Each region's pubs also reflect the local culture and history. For instance, McCarthy's Fethard in County Tipperary is a pub, restaurant, and undertaker service all rolled into one, showcasing the multifaceted role pubs have played in Irish society. The variety in Irish pubs is also evident in their decor and ambiance. From the nautical theme of the Bullman Bar in County Cork to the Lord of the Rings-themed pub The Shire in County Kerry, each pub has its own unique character that attracts both locals and visitors. In summary, Irish pubs vary greatly from region to region, each offering a unique blend of tradition, local culture, and hospitality that makes them special and worth visiting. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet countryside town, the Irish pub experience is always rich and memorable.